Once upon a time in China, there was a peasant. Let's call him Xiaoming. Xiaoming was once hardworking and tended to his crops every day. One day, however, Xiaoming saw a rabbit carelessly run and bump into a tree stump accidentally. The poor rabbit died. Xiaoming was happy because he got a free rabbit without any work. Xiaoming took the rabbit home and enjoyed a great meal. This gave him an idea. Wow, I don't need to work so hard all the time anymore. All I need to do is wait by the stump for a rabbit to run and carry itself. From then on, instead of working, Xiaoming slept by the stump and waited for more rabbits. But the rabbits never came. After a few weeks, all Xiaoming's crops died. "守株待兔" means to keep watch by a stump, waiting for rabbits. It's used to describe a lazy opportunist who does not want to put in any efforts, but instead sits around and waits idly for good things to happen. "Shou" means to keep watch. "Zhu" means stump of a tree. "Dai" means to wait. "Tu" means rabbits. Here is an example in natural language. 要取得进展，我们必须主动出击，不能守株待兔。To make progress, we must take the initiative. We can't sit around and wait for opportunities. Can you make a sentence with 守株待兔? Leave it in the comments section and share it with us. There are many meaningful 4-character Chinese idioms, and they all have an interesting story or parable associated with them. Is there a Chinese idiom you like? Please let us know in the comments section and we can make a video about it for you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos about Chinese culture. We will keep updating it.